Hey crypto crew, welcome back to Crypto Crib, your daily dose of the latest in the digital asset world. Today is June the 27th, 2025. Let's dive in. All right fam, let's break down what the rest of 2025 could look like for the crypto market, and more specifically, when the next bull run could realistically begin. We're talking probabilities, not guarantees, but based on halving cycles, historical patterns, institutional inflows, and macroeconomic trends, here's how we see it. June 2025, 15% chance. June's typically a transitional month. Bitcoin is still stabilizing post-halving, and institutions are in observation mode. It's possible to see some early movement, but a full-blown bull run, still unlikely. July 2025, 20% chance. Things could start heating up. Mid-year earnings season, ETF flows, and a few macro signals may boost confidence. But again, this is more of a setup month than a true breakout. August 2025, 30% chance. We're entering the second half of the year, and historically, August begins the pressure build-up. Traders are back from summer breaks, and the market starts forming clearer bullish structures, but not quite liftoff yet. September 2025, 45% chance. Now we're talking. September has often been the trigger zone for past bull runs, especially ahead of Q4. It's also when large funds finalize yearly positioning. Expect stronger signals, more liquidity, and early breakouts from key resistance levels. October 2025, 60% chance. October has a track record. Bitcoin's historic breakout in October 2020, for example, kicked off one of the strongest rallies. Sentiment, volume, and fundamentals often align here. This is when things can start to get really exciting. November 2025, 75% chance. Historically, November is ignition month. Year-end FOMO, Black Friday narratives, holiday cash inflows, and institutional entries all pile in. If we're going full bull mode, it likely begins here or just before. December 2025, 85% chance, the most likely month. If we haven't taken off by now, December becomes a launch pad, and not just for Bitcoin, but for the whole market. Alts, DeFi, NFTs, everything tends to move fast when the rocket launches in December. So what's the takeaway? While no one can predict markets with certainty, Q4 2025 looks like the golden zone. Keep your eye on the charts, macro signals, and ETF flows. The earlier months are about preparation. The later months, potential explosion. Finally, we have the Fear and Greed Index at 65, so it has stabilized a bit because it had been going up and down in recent months with all the news. That's your Crypto Pulse for June 27th, 2025. Feel the trend shift? If you loved this update, smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Crib, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. Drop your hot takes or questions below. Cryptoverso, stay curious, stay sharp, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode.